If you're a creative agency or freelancer using WeTransfer, you'll want to hear this. Bad news, WeTransfer are shutting down portals and reviews. But soon, all of that will be gone. But hey, look on the bright side, this gives you a chance to replace WeTransfer with something bigger and better. With Dash, you can use it to do everything WeTransfer did, plus a whole lot more. Take a look at this. Dash is built to help creative teams keep their work organised, share it beautifully, and get client approvals all in one place. Using Dash, you can upload your campaign assets, group them into collections, gather feedback from clients, then share all of the work you've created in a branded portal made just for them. You can use this for all your clients as you scale your business. But sharing assets isn't all Dash can do. You can build a search engine for your visual creative, and even integrate with Adobe to drop assets in Dash straight into your designs. So instead of scrambling to replace like for like, use Dash to transform your entire creative workflow.